for a 30 square meter cafe. If you're looking for an affordable music playing device, take a look at the latest ceiling speaker plus amplifier kit from Hikvision. The amplifier supports Bluetooth, USB flash drive, microphone as audio inputs, and supports independent microphone volume control and 2-channel partition volume control. Music can be easily played via Bluetooth with your mobile phone. Besides, there is a set of RCA interfaces on the back of the amplifier, which support connections to computers, offering music play, cue calling functions, and even to smart cameras, boosting the sound range and enhancing alarm effects. It's suitable for a wide variety of application scenarios like cafes, retail stores, bakeries, and more. Attention! Attention! Warning region! Attention! Warning region! Attention! Warning region! Please stop climbing over fences!
Customer number 1, pick up your order, please.
Smarter audio made easy. Hello and a warm welcome to everyone. My name is Shirley and I am the product specialist here at Hikvision, specializing in our audio product. Hikvision is at the cutting edge of AIoT security innovation. We are thrilled to bring you our latest audio offerings designed to integrate smoothly with our CCTV system. Offering both network and analog audio products, we provide seamless compatibility with Hikvision CCTV and software. Our network speakers are particularly effective for real-time alerts, while our analog and hybrid option deliver crystal clear audio for engaging experience in SMB settings. Sounds great, doesn't it? Let's get started. Today's agenda will be 6 key parts today. First, an overview of our audio product. Then we'll introduce our detailed insight into our network audio products. Then will be an in-depth look at our analog audio product. Then there will be the product showcase. And the 5th part would be the instruction on how to connect and configure the devices for broadcasting, audio alarm linkage, and two-way audio function, etc. Finally, there will be a brief FAQ session to answer your questions. And do you remember our special surprise of the gift kit? At the end of the webinar, we will randomly select 5 lucky participants to win a comprehensive Hikvision audio kit. This kit includes a network amplifier and 4 analog ceiling speakers, perfect for evaluating your security setup. So stay engaged and good luck. We will contact the winners via email after the webinar. Don't miss out. So let's have an overview of Hikvision audio product. You might wonder, why Hikvision audio products? Why choose Hikvision? Well, our audio products are incredibly versatile and compatible, integrating seamlessly with Hikvision IPCs, NVR, and HikCentral. This compatibility ensures a smooth addition to your existing system. With our solution, you can enhance your security with the power of audio and video, providing interventions during events to deter criminals or inform others. We offer a range of broadcast modes for different applications, including announcements, warnings, and background music. Last but not least, our audio product is easy operation and maintenance. Hikvision offers an intensive range of audio products, divided into 2 main categories. First would be the network product, and another is analog product. Each product is designed to meet varieties needs, ensuring you find the perfect solution for your specific requirements. There are 4 kinds of appearance of the network speaker, as you can see. We have horn, ceiling, column speaker, and cabinet speaker. For the analog product family, we only have 2 kinds of appearance. They are ceiling speaker and column speaker. Network amplifier and analog amplifier could be selected based on your requirement. We provide different kinds of audio solution as well, including analog solution, hybrid solution, and network solution. I won't expand the solution details now, but just give you a brief idea of the three solutions. We're gonna learn the product details first, and then I will go back to talk about the solution one by one afterwards. First, network products. In traditional CCTV system, we utilize IPCs and NVRs for smart event detection. However, achieving real-time notification has its challenges. With our network speakers, you get the advantage of moving from post-event investigation to in-event warning. Our network products come with several benefits, including easier IP access and management, perfect integration with other Hikvision products, and enhanced algorithm for smarter use. Now, let's see the key features of our network speaker. The key features are multiple broadcast models, TTS function, text-to-speech. We support English, Spanish, Russian TTS function, with more languages on the way. Built-in eMMC features, two-way audio for certain models, video and audio linkage, and easy operation and maintenance. Then let's look at the features one by one. So, first, the most important key features is that the network speaker can combine with CCTV for better security protection, such as perimeter protection and danger prevention. You can use 4 ways to achieve the audio and video linkage function with speaker. As you can see, we support speaker plus IPC function. We support the solution with speaker plus IPC plus NVR. The third solution would be speaker plus IPC plus platform software, such as HCP, HPP, and HC. Another solution would be speaker plus IPC plus NVR plus software, platform software. Application scenarios such as perimeter protection, danger prevention, smart hybrid light with speaker on, and so on. Our network speaker also supports SIP portal, with built-in dual microphone to support two-way audio. And there are also 3 ways to achieve the two-way audio function. First, NVR plus IPC plus IP speaker. The second one, platform software plus NVR plus IP speaker. And the third one would be platform software plus IP camera. Also, please notice that the horn speaker, the cabinet speaker, and the column speaker can support two-way audio, while the ceiling speaker model doesn't support two-way audio function because it doesn't come with the built-in mic. For more information, you can check the product datasheet. Another important key feature is the built-in eMMC. Compared with other conventional speakers, they need SD card to store the audio file. But with our speaker, you can store the audio just in the built-in eMMC. What's more, Hikvision network speaker is easier to operation and maintenance. For the conventional network speaker, it is not very easy to find the device IP address and to configure. Sometimes you even need to use the third-party configuration tools to configure them one by one. But with our Hikvision network speaker, you can easily configure, for example, through the SADP configure to change the IP address and reset the password. Remote configuration. You can also configure remotely with HikCentral. Batch upgrade via ISAPI with HiTools delivery software. Here you will see the detailed version for supporting our network speaker. For the software, our HikCentral Professional and IVMS already support the network speaker. And for the HikPartner Pro and HikConnect, the new version which support IP speaker will meet you soon in next quarter. For the NVR, M series, AccuSense I series E version, and DPMind M series with the latest firmware can support. On AccuSense K series NVR, it would require the latest firmware as well. For the AccuSense I series E version, you should use the customized firmware to support it. For the IPC and PTZ, the baseline version will meet you soon in the Q2 as well. Please wait and continue to pay attention for updates through our official website. This page also shows the specific function on different monitor centers such as audio file management, broadcast plan configuration, alarm linkage, two-way audio, and basic configuration. Compared to the conventional solution where the audio system and CCTV system are separate, it requires two separate operators to manage the audio or video devices. However, with Hikvision all-in-one platform solution, it only requires one operator to control both audio and video devices, saving your labor cost and ease of use. For the application, we list a lot of applications of network speaker for your reference. As you can see, from the introduction, we can use it in security protection, in background music, and paging notification. Above all, with competitive price, it is a good choice to use in multiple scenarios. Among all the applications, here the most important usage of network speaker is for security applications. In some dangerous activities are detected, it will automatically trigger the speaker to broadcast for warning. Besides, when the operator spots potential dangers, the operator can live broadcast to speak or play some audio messages to intervene before danger occurs. In some conditions, customer can use the two-way audio function to achieve real-time communication. Customer can also use network speaker in multiple places, such as stores or shopping malls for scheduled broadcast or to play background music. Mobile tower for temporary deployment is a typical application scenario for network speaker. We can combine them with Hikvision CCTV product for construction site to provide a safe and economic security solution. There are three levels of mobile tower that we could recommend: IP speaker with dome camera, or IP speaker with thermal PTZ, or IP speaker plus PTZ plus turret camera. So, on the construction sites, the above mobile power solution guarantee the employee personal safety protection, asset safety protection, perimeter defense, and working hour broadcast. Another typical application scenario is for the buildings or communities. There are 5 suitable spots for the audio management: the car park, the building park, the perimeter areas, conference rooms, halls, and public indoor areas are suitable for our network speakers. After the network speaker part, you might get interested in our network amplifier. This is a solution to achieve the hybrid function with network and analog products, which can make audio more flexible. It covers the function including scheduled broadcast, TTS function, smart linkage, but not support NVR currently. Analog speaker with network amplifier solution, providing a smarter experience similar to network audio system with low budget. Then let's look at the analog product. This is the analog speaker topology. Here is the analog amplifier, as you can see here, and which has the audio input with USB, Bluetooth, mic input, or RCA input. With 60-watt constant resistant or constant voltage amplifier, you can connect the analog amplifier to the ceiling speaker or column speaker. Please note that our analog speaker doesn't have EN54 certificate for the fire alarm solution currently. We are still working on that. The analog speaker combined with our amplifiers are ideal for background music, advertisement, and public announcement in environments like stores or malls. While they might lack the advanced features of their network counterparts, their value lies their straightforward functionality and cost effectiveness. Now we have finished the network and analog product introduction. Let's go further into the product showcase. This is the audio product naming rules. As you can see, DS means our Hikvision product. QA means audio and sensing product. Z means product series. 1 means that this is the network speaker, and for 0, it means this is the analog product. The next part 3 means that the device appearance. So this one is the horn speaker. Later comes the power consumption, the generation, and T means the device has pigtails. The suffix represent the features. For example, the S means sub-speaker, the W means Wi-Fi, B means Bluetooth, and E means it supports PoE function. Let's review the network audio product showcase. We offer 4 different appearances of the network speaker. The horn speaker and column speaker are for outdoor use, and the seating and cabinet speaker are connected with the sub-speaker to expand the broadcast range. Considering the power consumption, one main seating speaker supports only one sub-seating speaker, and one main cabinet speaker supports 3 sub-speakers. We also provide network amplifier for the hybrid solution. This is the analog speaker family map. As you can see, we have analog seating speaker, column speaker, and analog amplifier to meet your different demands. So here comes the conclusion about our audio product solution. For economic solution, you can choose analog amplifier and speaker. For the cost-effective solution, you can choose the hybrid solution, connecting the analog speaker to network amplifier. Then you can configure and manage with web, HCP, or HC platform. If you would like the fully functional solution, you can choose our network solution, with network main and sub speakers connected to the internet directly. And then you can use the NVR or HCP for configuration and management. So next would be our demo showcase part. So we have all these IP speaker, and this is also our IP camera and NVR. We've already added them through the network cable to one switch. And I will show you how to configure them about the broadcast function, the two-way audio function, and the alarm linkage function. Let's go to the web page to check the settings now. So this is the speaker web page. We can check the network status, including the wire network, ISUP status, and Hikconnect status here. And we have the basic information, including the speaker model name, serial number name, and the firmware version here. Next, we'll go to check the configure settings. Here is the basic information as well, and the network settings. We can change the IP address of the speaker and check the network service, and then the platform access. We can enable the ISUP or Hikconnect or Envoy protocol here. Let's then go to the audio setting. Here we can change the mic input volume and output volume. We can do a short test of the speaker now. So you will hear the speaker is doing some broadcast. And then our IP speaker also supports the SIP protocol. You can enable it here and do some change settings. And then we can have a little test of our broadcast setting. Here we are able to upload some material library. Here we can upload some audio file here. And just select the batch input and select one audio file. Okay, and then we can do some schedule broadcast. Add one schedule, and you can change the task name and enable it as a day schedule or weekly schedule. Start date and end date can be configured as well. And then there will be two modes of the broadcast. We can broadcast the audio file or speech synthesis, that is the TTS function. You can test the TTS function now. Just draw the bar and click the advanced configuration and type in some speech. This is the restrict area. Okay, and we can set the play mode as play once or loop. And the language type, we can support English and Spanish and Russian and blah blah blah, and we will support other European language or other language later. just save the configuration, and the broadcast will take effect in 1 minute.
This is restricted area.
Okay, here is the speaker web page settings. Let's now go to the NVR settings now. So here is the NVR web page. First, I want to add the IP camera and IP speaker into the NVR. Let's go to the device access. So we just go to the audio device, and here we can see the online device has been detected of our IP speaker. We just click add and input the password of the IP speaker. Then link the video channel. Okay. And as we can see, the speaker is also getting online. Next, we'll go to the device configuration. Here, go to the audio device. You can also change the mic volume and output volume here as well. Then we're going to test the event configuration of the alarm input. Just go to the event center, event configuration, and linkage configuration. IP speaker. Here you will see we also we've already uploaded the audio file from the speaker web page, and it will automatically detect it by the NVR. And let's go to the event center. Here is the motion detection, and then we will go to the linkage method to select the audio and light alarm linkage. Then select the audio file you want to play. Then save. Here I will do a short test of the motion detection. Yeah, you will see the speaker is doing the alarm linkage now. Okay. And the last part would be the two-way audio and broadcast function. Let's just go to the live view of the IP camera. And here we can select the microphone at the bottom. Yeah, start two-way audio, and the third part would be the two-way audio to the IP speaker. And then if you want to just do the broadcast, you can click the bottom the icon here, and there will be the speaker for you to choose. So this is the end of the demo showcase now. Now let's move on to our FAQ session. We have also received some questions come up frequently, and I believe they might interest you as well. So let's just go over those, and please feel free to ask any questions in the chat box. Let's get started. So first, you may ask how many IP speakers can be added to one NVR. So for Hikvision's K-series NVR, it can be added up to 4 channels. And for Hikvision's I-series or M-series NVR, it can add up to 8 channels of IP speaker. So second, do you have any plan for wireless and streaming solutions? So actually, we don't support like AirPlay, Spotify streaming currently, but we are still on the way to develop them. And the third question would be, can cabinet main speaker and ceiling speaker use together? The answer is no. The power are different. So 3-watt sub speaker can only work with 3-watt main speaker, and 6-watt sub speaker can only work with the 6-watt main speaker. And the next question would be, how many speakers can amplifier connected with? So it just depends on the power of the speaker. For example, if you use an amplifier which has the 80 watts, and you use the speaker with 6 watts, so there will be 10 to 12 speakers can connect with the amplifier. And we're still planning on some larger amplifier in the future. Another question would be network simplifier usage. So with analog speaker, you can connect it with the network amplifier or the analog amplifier. If you connect the analog speaker with the network amplifier, it can be used for background music, broadcasting, and alarm linkage function. The next question would be, how many meters can IP speaker be used for? Actually, this is evaluated by the speaker's max acoustic pressure. So every time the distance doubles, the sound pressure level decreases by 6 decibels. We know that the human ear can hear clearly about 60 decibels. For example, like QAZ1307 model, that is our home speaker, the maximum sound pressure level is 121 decibels. So it means that it can reach 122 decibels when you are 1 meter away. So the human ear can hear about 60 decibels. When you calculate that, we can get a conclusion that the coverage distance is estimated about 512 meters. And we both know that there are many factors that affect whether the human ear can hear in the actual environment, including some environment noise, openness, obstacles, or sound frequency, etc. For the IP speaker range, we recommend the customer to conduct an on-site measurement for the most accurate assessment, as factors like environment and installation can affect performance. Another question is, do you have many stock in Europe? The answer is yes. We prepare them all in stock. And let's go to the chat box. For example, AKARD asks, do you have any interface for sending the audio? And the answer is yes. We do support ISAPI interface for you to send audio to the IP speaker. So if you have any interested in, and you can just contact our regional sales or technical guys. They can send you some how-to file to how to configure the ISAPI protocol. Another guy asked, I need a solution for install audio. Can it take in line jack for music? The answer is yes. Our IP speaker also have the alarm in interface. So you can just connect to your line out interface and then play some music via the line in. So that's all the time we have for questions today. Thank you for your participation. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our regional sales team for assistance. Whether you're an economic, cost-effective, or fully functional solution, Hikvision has the right product for you. From analog to hybrid to network solutions, we provide flexible and powerful options to meet your requirements. Thank you for joining our webinar today, and don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, Hikvision Corporate Channel, for more product information and updates. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you next time.
Customer number 1. Customer number 1, pick up your order, please.
Attention. Paging. Notification.